Hello everyone! Look at this shirt. It's very beautiful. First, I want to tell you the story of making this shirt, and then I'll show you all the details. I want to show you the result of our work. I show you reviews of the items not to make boast of my fashion house. I show them for you to see new designs and learn something new. I like to show you the ways the items are made. I show you a lot of sewing techniques, so I want you to know how you can apply them when sewing. Have a look at this shirt. It was bought in an original Dolce&Gabbana boutique. I show it for you to understand that we can make amazing replicas of some fashion items. The replicas can look even better than the original items. This is a very nice shirt with a placket on the center front. The flaps on the pockets are very interesting. There are yokes on the shoulders. The shirt was washed just once, and there's already a floor. Don't expect the items bought in fashion boutiques to be of excellent quality. They are pretty usual. Anyway, the shirt fits the body perfectly. These flaps are also very interesting. There are yokes both on the front and on the back. The plackets on the sleeves are also very nice. There is a double stitching almost in every seam. Now I'll show you the wrong side of the shirt. I can't say that it's not of a good quality, but there is nothing extraordinary in it. The customer said that he was hoping to wear this shirt for a very long time, but we've already fixed some parts several times. This is why we decided to make a replica of this shirt. Let me show it to you. This shirt was made of strong striped cotton. Notice that the fabric for the shirt was cut in a bias, but the pockets and the yokes were cut on a grain. All the seams were doubled with the iron-on intersection. These details are very strong because of it. Very nice. Have a close look at the details. Have a look at the color. The form is absolutely amazing. The front yokes were stitched to the shirt. Have a look at them on the wrong side. When making such pockets, you need to be very attentive. The flap should be just 1 mm wider than the pockets on each side. Don't ever make flaps narrower than the pockets. It'll spoil a view. All the seams are edged. Notice how perfect are the plackets on the sleeves. The sleeves were also cut on the bias, and these details on the lengthwise and crosswise grains. The buttons match the color of the threads. The collar looks absolutely amazing. It was stitched to the shirt. Have a look at it. The iron-on intersections used to double the collar in the cuffs are not very strong. You can also manage to make such shirts. This is why I'm showing this one to you. It's better to make a double overcast in shirts. There shouldn't be any overlock stitching. Fold the bottom once, and then once again to hide a cut edge inside. This is what I call a double overcast. All the seams are perfect. Have a look both at the wrong and at the right sides. Now I want to ask our customer to try on both shirts. Please write in the comments which one you like more. Have a look at the first shirt, original Dolce&Gabbana one. You can see that it fits the body very well. I think that this is a very nice shirt. And when I look at the price, I think that it's absolutely amazing. Now I will show you the second shirt, the one which was made in our fashion house. I like this fabric better. Now you know that this one was made better than the original one. I've already said that I like the original shirt, but I prefer this one. What do you think? I remind you that all the seams, plackets, cuffs, and flaps are doubled with the iron-on intersection. Perfect. I love how this shirt fits the body. Now you know how it was made. I've showed you everything. That's all for today. Let's be different and beautiful. We've showed you the replica of Dolce&Gabbana shirt. Now you know that you can make shirts of any design you like. My name is Paukšte Irina. Subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.